is to explain to me who were the actors and who were the non-actors. Those representing the artists who had no experience.
Yo, were you there? I was expelled.
I thought they wouldn't let you back in.
Me too, but you know how they thought I stole?
Yeah, everybody knows.
Well, I had this disciplinary hearing and my parents got involved, right? And Mr. Moore was like, this is straight up not the goods. And my dad was like, why did you do that, man? That's not cool. And I was like, oh, yeah, sorry. And then Moore was like, your attitude has been awful all year. There's all this other stuff you've been doing as well. And my dad was like, hold up, wait a minute. This disciplinary hearing is about the stealing incident. You're talking about something else. And you know how my dad's like a wannabe lawyer, right? Well, he prepped big time for the stealing thing. And Moore goes, yeah, but while you're here, we need to let you know that Gene's been a real problem and we're gonna expel him. And so my dad is mad at the principal and the principal is mad at me. I'm mad at the principal and I'm mad at myself because this is a real low point. So we're at home that night and you know how my dad is still on that hard out wannabe lawyer buzz? He goes, this is a civil injustice. We're gonna complain to the ombudsman. And I was like, the who buzz, what? And my dad was like, the ombudsman. He's an independent officer of parliament that helps people deal with government, both local and central. And I was like, oh.
Yeah, but how did you come back?
Way to kill my momentum, T. So anyway, my dad complains to the ombudsman, right? And the ombudsman does like an investigation. And at the end of the investigation, he was like, nah, this isn't right. But actuals, turns out the school has policies around that stuff. They didn't follow them and it was unfair how they just bounced all that other stuff on us. So he told the school to let me back in and I put off my record. Bam.
Oh, what's up?